In this noisy and bustling world, art has always been my spiritual fulcrum, and among all types of art, sculpture has always been my greatest source of inspiration and passion. I want to share with you the profound emotions and experiences I have gone through in the world of sculpture. When I entered the world of sculpture, I felt the peace and magic of that space. There, time seems to slow down. All the worries and stresses of daily life seem to disappear. I am free to fly in the space of imagination, letting my soul freely express what I want. Sculpture is not just about creating shapes and works of art, but it is also a way for me to express myself and my mood. Every detail, every line on the sculpture is a part of my soul and emotions. When I touch each block of clay, each rock or each tree, I feel the intersection between idea and reality, between technique and imagination. My sculptures are not only a part of me, but also a way for me to communicate and interact with the world around me. Each sculpture carries a story, a message that I want to convey to viewers. From the paths of life to dreams and ambitions, all are expressed through the language of sculpture. Sculpture is not only a creative activity, but also a spiritual journey for me. In this world of art, I find peace and encouragement, where my soul can fly and express itself freely. Sculpture is not only art, but also an indispensable part of life and of myself.